The Philippines, a nation of over 7,000 islands, relies heavily on maritime travel. Ferries connect lives, families, and dreams. But on December 20, 1987, one such journey turned into the deadliest maritime disaster in peacetime history. MV Dona Pass departed from Leyte, bound for Manila. Officially designed to carry 1,518 passengers, it was overcrowded, with over 4,300 people on board, many undocumented. For these passengers, it was an ordinary voyage, a routine trip to reunite with loved ones, celebrate holidays, and seek opportunities. That night, as the ferry sailed through the Tablas Strait, disaster struck. At 10:30 p.m., MV Dona Pass collided with the oil tanker Vector, which was carrying 8,800 barrels of gasoline. The impact caused a massive explosion, lighting up the night sky and engulfing both vessels in flames. Passengers, trapped in the inferno, had no time to react. With no life jackets and minimal safety equipment, chaos ensued. Only 26 people survived by jumping into the shark-infested waters, clinging to debris for hours. Over 4,300 lives were lost that night, men, women, and children. Families were torn apart, and entire communities were left grieving. It remains the deadliest peacetime maritime disaster in history, surpassing even the Titanic. Investigations revealed the tragic causes. MV Dona Pass was overcrowded and lacked proper safety measures. Merchant tanker Vector was unseaworthy, with an inexperienced crew. Both ships operated under a system plagued by negligence and poor enforcement of maritime laws. Despite the magnitude of the tragedy, justice remained elusive. Compensation was minimal, and systemic changes in maritime safety were slow and insufficient. The grief of the families was met with silence and unfulfilled promises. Today, the tragedy of MV Dona Pass serves as a haunting reminder of the cost of negligence. It underscores the urgent need for accountability, better safety standards, and respect for human lives. As we remember the thousands lost, we honor their memory by calling for a safer future on the seas. The waters of the Tablas Strait remain calm today, but they carry the echoes of a tragedy that must never be forgotten. This is the story of MV Dona Pass, a story of lives lost, lessons learned, and the enduring fight for safety at sea.